I have here sliced ginger, onions, garlic, and then I have here chicken liver. So first, isutay muna natin yung ating ginger and onions. And then i-add natin yung ating garlic, peppercorn, bay leaves, saute, and then ilalagay natin ngayon ang ating chicken liver. So antayin natin until lalabas yung sariling tubig ng ating liver. And then this is it. Ilalagay natin ngayon yung ating soy sauce. Lagyan natin ng konting patis, black pepper, water, and then isimmer natin. And then ilalagay natin ngayon yung ating white vinegar. So antayin natin until mag-less yung ating liquid. And there you go, ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Bye!